Hey,
What do you do?
in this video, I'm going to show you a prime example of how to print OnlyFans subs using TikTok.
I'm
Alright, so we're
ready.
witnessing it
How are
now.
you?
So this girl, Chloe Mercy, has gone live, and notice how she's simply just talking
Thank you.
to everyone. She's simply just talking to the followers. She's not talking about OnlyFans. She's not saying go to my OnlyFans. She's not pushing it
Wait,
at all.
what?
All she's doing is acting completely normal,
You guys want kisses?
except
I can
with
give
a
you
low
kisses
cut
at
top.
15k
That's
likes.
all she's doing. And then you know what's going to happen?
Thank you.
People
I
are going to watch
appreciate
this
that.
live. They're going to see that
How
corner of her
many
top or
boyfriends do you
anything
have?
just slowly falling off. They're going to get worked up, and then they're going to go straight to her profile. And guess what they're going to find on her profile? Her Insta. So she's pushing her Insta. This
What
is
do you
just
mean
one
I
of many.
started?
She's also linked a totally different Insta. And
15k
I can
likes.
imagine that this girl has multiple TikToks. She's got multiple Instagrams, and it is
But my
all
husband would be
pointing
mad. I
toward
don't have a
OnlyFans.
husband. That's
So this
I'm
is what
jealous.
you do. So to go live, you need to get at least 1,000 followers. In order to do that, I've got all the methods and tools you need
How many
on my
boyfriends do
forum,
you
Empire
want?
Forums, or it will be also on my Discord that I'm launching soon, along with daily TikTok trends. That all you need to do is simply
Sunny is
replicate
one.
these
Maybe.
trends and print. And then once you get over 1,000 followers, then you can
Only
start
what?
doing this. So if you're a manager yourself, then what you'll do is you'll literally just instruct your
For
models to
boyfriend
do
for what?
anything on live.
One to
Once they have
cook,
only over 1,000
one to
followers,
be
you'll
my
get them to do
gym
anything.
coach,
Lego, paint their nails, makeup,
one for the
do their
cleaning,
hair, anything. And they're
and
just
one to
simply
bring me
talking
shopping.
to the chat. They're simply just acknowledging that they're
How?
there. They're not pushing
Abby?
OnlyFans. They're not trying to
That
funnel
would be
anyone.
nice.
Subtle works best. They just
Or maybe
act
just one that can do
natural
all
and
of
just
that.
be sexy by acting naturally. Whether it's a
Always
low
get the
cut
tea.
top or a low cut skirt or whatever. And then everyone will funnel themselves. So
Abby,
as I
to the
said, they'll
air
just go to the
casual.
profile.
Yes. Yes, it's
Then they'll
cool.
go to
It's very
whatever
expensive
she's
though.
pushing in the profile, which is normally an Insta or something like that. You can actually link the Insta. And she's also decided to actually just put it in her
And
bio
for
as
I
well.
know,
And then when they
no,
go to the Insta, they'll find, there
I'm
you
a
go,
romantic.
it beacons.
So it's
And then
either
once
you're
they
my
go on this
boyfriend
beacons,
or it's either
they will find
we don't see
the
each other.
OnlyFans accounts, along with anything else she wants to push. Now, what I recommend
It is
with a
very
beacons or a
expensive
link
if
tree is I only recommend having one option, because when Sims have different
What's my
options, you can be
age?
losing a
Guess.
lot of potential subs this way. So I only recommend having one
Yeah, she
option,
can see.
which is obviously
Which is
the
very
OnlyFans. Now, this method, like any other method, is inevitably going to get banned. Some accounts are going to
you
get banned,
30?
TikTok's going
I
to get
think
banned,
30
Insta's going
is
to get banned
perfect age
for
for
one reason or
23 years
another,
old
but
girl.
mostly because you'll get salty
Could you
simps,
date
salty
an
simps
American
who will
man?
report the accounts, and that is why you
Yes.
have
Why
multiples of
not?
everything. See here, she's got a backup
I could
tag.
date
She's got at
an
least
American
6
man.
Instagrams. They all point to each other. One of them is the main
So
presence,
25
and
is
that
too young.
posts strictly safe for work.
I could do
You
25,
don't do
but I don't
anything
think I
too
could ever
revealing.
do
You don't
like
do
young
anything
guys on
that
23.
is at risk of getting
It's either my
reported.
age or
And then you
older.
create the slave accounts where you can post like, you know, more risque stuff that are more expendable, and then
Thank you for the
usually they will all
follow.
point to this mother
No
account. So that's called the
18.
mother
I could
slave.
never
So
do
she's doing
18.
everything in
That's
one
like,
here. She's
I don't know.
going
A
live on
girl is more
TikTok,
mature than a guy,
funneling to
so
the
imagine
Insta,
18 years old
and
guys.
then she's using the mother slave so that if one Insta gets pulled down,
I think
then
the
she's always got
oldest
another
I
one,
could
and they're
do
all
is
funneling to the same place.
45.
The only thing I'll do differently, as I said, is that you'll just have one option inside the
Never say
beacons.
never.
You'll just have the
Yeah.
OnlyFans link. Otherwise, you
You may
could
dream
lose
it.
potential subscribers.
Maybe.
So, and that's it. So that is how you do it. Get over 1,000 followers on TikTok,
My
and then
dad
get to
age.
work. Literally, just get the girls, or if you are the girl yourself, literally just do anything. Sit in your bed, just talking to the chat. You don't
okay.
need to push anyone to
I like them
OnlyFans. You
all.
don't need to talk about it. You don't need to try and deliberately be sexy. Just acknowledge the audience and interact with them while you do any day-to-day activities. That's all you need to do, just like this girl, Chloe. And then let them all funnel themselves. If you're thinking 4 steps is quite a lot, don't worry about that. They will all funnel through. And this way it is safe. You have all your backups in place, so when one account gets pulled down, they all still work because there are 5 more. There are 5 more TikToks or 5 more Instagrams. And, you know, Beacon and Linktree is not going to get banned, so you can just keep the one of those. But that's it. I thought I would quickly show you this while this girl was live and show you a live demonstration of a funnel in progress that is working like a treat. So that's it. There you go. If you like the video, go smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. And remember, join my Discord launching December 1. Link is below. You want to join my Telegram waitlist because there will be a surprise for all those on the waitlist. If you are not on the waitlist and you join later on, then you will miss out. So I recommend joining via the link below. And in there, you'll also find all the methods, tools, and trends you need to replicate this exact method and print subs. And that's it. So I'll see you on another video.